The continued growth in demand for larger offshore boats drives a desire for increased outboard power. Out here, the challenge has always been to confront the harsh saltwater environment with reliable power. Larger boats magnify the challenge. The solution: deliver the thrust, the push, the raw energy needed to power these offshore boats. Creating the solution required new thinking, a unique alternative to both current outboard options and inboard power, with proven innovation and reliability integral to the design. It meant redefining offshore power. It meant Yamaha. Yamaha is proud to announce a revolutionary new purpose-built outboard for large boat saltwater applications. An all-new, offshore-inspired, reliability-born power plant built for the sea with Yamaha turnkey reliability. More than 600 newly designed components. 8 of them are pistons. Introducing the world's first V8 5.3-liter 4-stroke outboard from Yamaha. Power, reliability, purpose-built, with displacement that signals replacement for any other outboard brand. The all-new Yamaha purpose-built F350, the world's first V8 5.3-liter 4-stroke outboard. V8 smooth, quiet, and incredibly powerful. On the open sea, it's not just about the horses, it's how you turn them loose. Yamaha is redefining offshore power.
It was designed to have massive power and thrust. The purpose is to give it the capability to push large boats that are coming on the market today. Now, the entry really makes sense because even while some segments in the marine industry are shrinking, the demand for large outboard saltwater boats 26 feet and above has grown 30% in the past 4 years, and it's projected to grow even more. The F350 is designed for those offshore boats. And because this is such a revolutionary outboard, I'm going to take some time now to go over the technical details of this segment maker. There are 3 main benefit areas to remember about this outboard. 1, it's designed to provide massive power and thrust for pushing big boats. 2, it's built specifically for the rigors of the offshore environment. And 3, it's designed to achieve new levels of reliability, surpassing even those set by other Yamaha 4-strokes. Let's look at the thrust issue. The F350 provides up to 45% more thrust than 250 class outboards. It can do that in large part because of its displacement, 5.3 liters. This is an important point. There are outboards on the market that reach high levels of horsepower by using existing small displacement engines and adding things like superchargers to increase the horsepower output. That's an effective way to justify the number on the cowl, but it doesn't improve thrust. Thrust is not the same as horsepower. To create it, you need displacement. The F350 uses its displacement to make thrust, and thrust is what big boats really need to get up on plane. In addition to the displacement, there are other technical features designed to optimize thrust. First, there's a 32-valve design, 4 valves per cylinder. That allows the engine to breathe. To optimize the way it breathes and enhance the thrust, Yamaha employs variable camshaft timing. With it, the engine produces more low and mid-range torque. Torque is a component of thrust in an outboard. The more torque you can make, the more thrust you can make. I might add here that torque is usually not a measurement of marine engines, as is commonplace with automotive engines. Complementing the variable camshaft timing is Yamaha's unique in-bank exhaust system with dual power surge chambers, which help the engine purge exhaust by relieving back pressure. The exhaust system also helps to optimize torque output. How is the F350 designed specifically for offshore use? Well, unlike manufacturers that convert automotive engines to outboard use, Yamaha starts by creating a block made of an alloy that's created for corrosion resistance. To go with it is a system of coating and painting. With the F350, Yamaha has introduced what we call Ucp-2, Ultimate Corrosion Protection 2. This new level of protection includes a unique new process for coating and painting key parts of the engine block inside and out that come into contact with salt water. Add to that additional sacrificial anodes and an anodized exhaust system, and you've got Yamaha's most advanced corrosion protection system ever. It doesn't end there. The F350 uses an ultra-tough gear case with large specially hardened gears, enlarged roller bearings, and dual water inlets for improved cooling. Also new to the F350 is an oversized mounting bracket with forged motor mounts for greater overall strength. Although it features 6 transom mounting bolts instead of the usual 4, the footprint or bolt pattern and mounting centers remain the same as the F250. Connected to that bracket are large forged motor mounts. Finally, with the F350, Yamaha introduces a whole new line of propellers. Called Saltwater Series Xl, they're specifically engineered to optimize the thrust and efficiency of this offshore outboard. They feature 21% more blade area and are larger in diameter than any Yamaha propeller offered before, and they only fit the F350. With the F350 comes a new generation head gasket that offers both better cooling and compression. Inside, Yamaha engineers have paid a great deal of attention to detail. Case in point are these dimpled cylinder sleeves. How does such a small feature affect reliability? By providing better heat transfer between the alloy block and steel cylinder sleeve, which equals better cooling, which in turn means the shape of the cylinders and cylinder liners remain more uniform when the heat is on. Then there's the Yamaha exclusive water intrusion reduction system. One portion of the system uses a labyrinth of passages inside the cowling to keep air going where it should and water from going where it shouldn't. Another uses a new tri-seal latch system for keeping water away from the power head. Even the new command-link digital electronic controls play a part by not allowing a running engine to develop reverse thrust until the engine is below 2,000 RPM, helping to prevent water intrusion or hydrolock in sudden deceleration situations. Another feature that adds to reliability is the Ionic combustion sensor system. Rather than using one sensor to detect engine knock, the F350 uses one for each cylinder, which significantly increases the outboard's ability to detect and rapidly correct spark knock by instantly adjusting spark timing. Finally, adding to the reliability quotient is command-link digital electronic controls. Now, the system offers a lot of customer benefits. One contribution to reliability is a built-in redundancy system. Using an individual ECU for each engine and redundant sensors on key control and engine functions, command-link digital electronic controls are designed with reliability in mind.